In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to filter tasks by assigned person in Smartsheet. If you're managing a project with lots of moving parts, being able to quickly focus on one person's workload is incredibly helpful. The good news is, Smartsheet makes this simple, as long as your sheet is set up correctly. First, find the column where people are assigned to tasks. This is often labeled Assigned To or something similar. For filtering by person to work the way you expect, that column should use the contact list property. In other words, each cell in that column should contain a contact, not just plain text. You'll know it's a contact when you see a small profile icon next to the name, or when selecting a cell offers a list of contacts to choose from. If you're seeing only freeform text, filtering may not return precise results, because Smartsheet won't recognize those entries as contacts. Once you've confirmed you're working with a contact list column, move your cursor to the header of that column and right-click. This opens a context menu specific to that column. From there, click Filter. Smartsheet will present filter options based on the values in that column. Because it's a contact list, you'll get a clean list of people who are already assigned somewhere in the sheet. This keeps things accurate and prevents typos from creating duplicate names. Now, choose the person you want to focus on. You can scroll through the list or type to quickly find the contact you need. The moment you select that person, Smartsheet will apply the filter to your sheet. You'll see the rows update right away so that only tasks assigned to that specific person are visible. This is an easy way to review workload, prep a one-on-one, or check progress during a stand-up. You'll also notice a clear confirmation of your choice. The person you selected will be shown at the top of the filter options, making it obvious which filter is active. If the contact you're looking for doesn't appear, it usually means they haven't been assigned in any row yet, or their name was entered as plain text somewhere. Converting those entries to actual contacts will make them show up properly in the filter list and keep your sheet consistent. That's all there is to it. Ensure your assigned person column is a contact list. Right-click the column header, choose Filter, and select the person you want to view. With that, you can instantly zero in on exactly the tasks you need to see.